Reporting live at City Hall, I'm Roman Koreshi.
6 News Time, 6:36. File this under C for creepy. The experience of a Scottish couple at a Toronto air.
You guys okay?
Dougie had recently seen a Facebook post warning people about the evolution of hidden cameras.
Here, yeah. Yeah, sure.
In the room, he checked it out and discovered a false front could be slid away to reveal a camera. He notified Airbnb, who promptly suspended the host and reported it to Toronto police. They've now launched an investigation, but wouldn't release further details. The host reportedly also rented out 500 guests in the area. This is not enough precedent. Airbnb and their hotel and rental companies are increasingly have to deal with these.
I have a camera here, so if I can catch it, I'll see if I can send you anything.
I'm going to send you an email in like half an hour so you have my contact.
Okay, yeah, thanks a lot. Take care.
Ceilings for pinhole type openings. One way to do this by turning the lights off and shutting a flashlight at the surface, looking for the telltale reflection.